In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get normal Roblox back. Let's get started. The biggest reason accounts get placed into Roblox Kids or select categories is age verification. Roblox now uses age checks to determine which features and experiences are available to your account. If your account has not been verified yet, you may be restricted from accessing certain games, voice chat, text chat, or any other platform features. The first thing you should do is verify your age. Head to the Roblox settings. Click on the gear icon, go to settings option. Now navigate to the section account info. Now look for an option called verify my age or check your age to get more features. Follow the instructions to scan a government issued ID such as driver's license or passport. Once the verification is completed successfully, Roblox can unlock additional features based on your verified age. If you have already completed the age check but Roblox placed you in the wrong category, there may be a way to redo the process. Head back to settings and account info and look for a one-time reset age option. This feature is available for some verified users whose estimated age is 18 or older. After resetting, you can complete the verification process again and potentially correct any mistakes. For younger users with parent-managed accounts, the solution is slightly different. The parent needs to sign into their linked parent account and navigate to settings, then parental controls. From there, they can manage the child's account information and may have the option to correct age-related details if necessary. It's also important to know that Roblox automatically updates account categories as users get older. Accounts typically move from Roblox Kids to Roblox Select around age 9 and then transition to the standard Roblox experience at age 16. If the account information is accurate, some restrictions may disappear automatically over time. So if you're trying to get normal Roblox back after the Roblox Kids or Roblox Select update, start by verifying your age. Check the reset age option, reviewing parental controls if applicable, and ensuring your account details are correct. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.